Are you finding it quite hard to deal with roundabouts? Do you want to know exactly what driving examiners look out for when you're doing your roundabouts? Well, today's video we're going to go through a driving test route. We're going to show the student exactly how to deal with roundabouts, what to look out for, and exactly what driving examiners are looking out for. Now, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School. On our channel as well, we've got loads of videos on how to pass your theory test and your driving test. On our site, fmdrivingschool.co.uk, you can get loads more tips in exactly what driving examiners look out for. So as I said, we're going to do a driving test route and we're going to go through some of the major roundabouts, and this is actually one of the harder test routes out there. You might be even taken on it. So first we want to check our mirrors, interior left, indicate, brake, clutch down. We might go to one. Yeah, let's go to one, a bit slow. Look here ahead. Is it indicating?
No.
So we're going to go for it. So once you're in, can you see the speed sign straight away? And there's a zebra crossing, so yes. Scan, check your mirrors as well, and go to the correct gear please. And what speed is the road?
20.
20, yes. So once you get to the new road, do watch out for the speed signs. Hold that speed, look ahead, you can see the bus here. Yeah, there's no place to go around it because you can see the traffic lights. Good. Yeah, good. Let's check your mirrors again. So there's a roundabout coming up. Okay, we're gonna go right at the roundabout. Yeah, first. Okay, check your mirrors, you'll indicate. Yeah, good. Excellent. So where are you looking? Excellent. Yeah, good. Big turn. And turn back quickly. Don't lose control. Follow the shape next time, okay? Check your mirrors, please. What speed is the road?
20.
20, yes. Keep going. The bus has stopped. Come off the gas. Check out interior right mirror. There's too many cars. So clutch down. Very good. Stop here just so you can go. Good, yeah. Go to one. Carry on. Okay, check your mirrors, please. So now we're going to do some of the big roundabouts that you might get in your driving test. So these are some of the exact driving test routes. Right, but is there a gap to go around?
Yes.
We've got, oh no, clutch down, brake, change your mind, go to one quickly. Check our right mirror again, is there a gap? Indicate, go around. Yeah, go ahead. Cancel indicate straight away. Keep going, check our left mirror, get back in, excellent. And get to the correct gear please, car strong. So here's some roundabouts. So we'll take the third exit on the roundabout. Third exit. Stay at 20. Yeah. So the first rule, which lane do you want to be in?
Right lane.
Right lane, yes. So look far ahead. You can see this roundabout's controlled by traffic lights, yes? Okay. So as we get closer, I want to do the routine. So the routine is what?
Mirror signal.
Yeah, good. So it'll be interior right, and then would indicate. You could have delayed it because of that road, but it's cool. No one's there. Now what gear quickly? As you're waiting, find out where the third exit is. Can you see it?
There.
Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3.
And we hogged the inside lane as well.
Exactly, yeah. Inside lane. And you see that green light? That's a pedestrian crossing light as well. Or another set of traffic lights which we have to be careful about. Good. So look, the lights are still green. We're fine. Indicate right again. Count the exits. This is 1.
1.
So now, there's 2. So after 2, what do you do? Which lane do you want to get into?
Far left.
Good. Check out left. Good. And then indicate left here. Excellent. Clutch down and brake. Watch out for the traffic lights. Excellent. Indicate left again is come off. Yeah. Secure the car, gear 1. Excellent. And can we go?
Yeah.
Double check the left mirror and hog the left lane. Excellent. And check all your mirrors now. Watch out for the lights you change as well here. Oh, we're fine. What speed is the road?
30.
Can you see it?
40.
It's actually 40, yeah. Go to the correct gear. Next roundabout, we're going to take the second exit. Which lane do you want to normally be in if you take the second exit?
Left.
Left lane, absolutely. Alright. We stay here. So what will happen? Speed up a little bit more. Just speed up. As you get there, you're going to see what happens. Can you see the traffic lights? So it looks like the traffic lights for you, and the roundabout, sorry, but it's not. You're going to see. As you get there, just brake, go down to gear 2. So this traffic light is actually for the pedestrian crossing, and in front of it you can see give way sign. Can you see it? So look right. Is it clear?
Yeah.
You can go. But if it wasn't, you'd actually stop. Even though it's green light. Count the exits. 1, and there's 2. Check out left mirror, and you can indicate left to come in. Does that make sense? So that light wasn't actually for the roundabout. It was actually for the pedestrian crossing, but it's right next to the roundabout, so it can be misleading. Cancel the indicator. Okay, well done. Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
Okay, next roundabout we'll take the second exit. Which lane normally are you going to be in?
The left lane.
Left lane, absolutely. Watch what happens. There's the 3 bars, there's the 2 bars. We're close to the roundabout. So after the 2 bars, we're going to prepare with the speed and the mirrors if we need to.
Go out to gear 2.
Not yet. Let's get a bit closer. We're quite slow. That's why we're quite slow. So get closer. Now you're going to brake. Watch what happens. Clutch down. Go down to gear 2 for a little bit. Put one there. Go down to gear 1. Alright, so let's slow down. So which exit are you taking?
Second exit.
Second exit. Which lane did we say normally you're going to be in?
Left lane.
Left lane, unless you see signs telling you otherwise. So look at the road markings on the floor. Which lane goes straight? Can you see?
Middle lane.
Middle lane. Check our right mirror. Slight movement to the center. And then from the middle lane, you're going to check your left mirror. And you're going to hook back towards the left lane. Good. Good left mirror check and move back across. Never go from the middle to that middle where there's Hillcrest Van is. It's from the middle to the left.
Okay.
And carry on. Good. Keep driving. That's how you do the roundabout. And as you drive, yeah, go and get to the correct gear. What speed is the road?
40.
Check your mirrors. Watch out for the lights. There's pedestrians. They might press the button. And if we're a bit too close, we just carry on driving now. Excellent. Speed up. Get the speed up. So again, a few more roundabouts further ahead. These are all test routes. So people are cutting it. It's cool. We just have to slow down and keep the gap. Obviously the left lane is for slow moving vehicles, so people overtake and get back into the lane. Speed up now. Now we've got the gap. We can speed up more. across the roundabout again. We're now going to take the second exit on the roundabout. So which lane do you want to be in?
Left lane.
Left lane, absolutely. And then as we get closer, if you see road markings telling you otherwise, follow the road markings. So sometimes the examiner might actually say to you, follow the signs towards, like in this case it will be M3 looks like, or Staines. Can you see second exit?
Yeah.
It might make you follow the signs as well. So M3 is Staines, which is the second exit. There's a 2 bars. As we get closer, we have to react to the traffic anyway. Brake harder, yeah. Okay. So look at the lane markings. Tell me which lane is yours. Let's see if you can see it.
The central lane.
And that's the end of part 1. That's Isleworth driving test routes and Isleworth roundabouts. Go to our site fmdrivingschool.co.uk where we post more tips and more links in how to pass your driving test.